See this? You see? You never know, say, you go get caught in another mirror, you know. God on time. You never know, say, you are going to on a platform, I like this. See it? See it? See it? Foota Hype straight. See it? I like somebody who identify as a man and a woman. God on time.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set with bliss. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen, dancehall artist Bounty Killer did a post and delete where him this up Mr. Vegas wickedly. You see my say, and I'm inclined to believe his PR told him to delete that, even though him said, "Cho, it's only because I respect the wishes of my fans and support." Yeah, you know why I deleted it. So, oh no, tell them fungus there. Don't F around my soul at this moment. This is my answer because cross angry and miserable people putting out the comment section where you think about that. Because Vegas the repost, one thing, conscience repost with Foota Hype. I'm taking this picture, you see, where one a man allegedly behind him. This is my answer, and Vegas the post up, you know, Bounty Killer in you know, the same post. You see it. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, boy, oh boy, people, it's a whole lot, you know. Yeah, it's a whole lot because I'm trying to say Bounty Killer, bad mind from long time. And I use Massacre and all of these people here for this, the program with him system foolishness. No, this you see in front of you, boy, gets the show in at the beginning of the thing. But me was the original one to put that out because as you can see, they did when they send us a Foota Hype, I like them boy thing. You see my I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, because them say, oh, I'm not post it because them send it to Vegas and I post it. But I let them know, so they post that long time already. You see my I say. So it's a whole lot going on right now. You see my I say, so Vegas is defending himself, you know, for going on conscious course and I talk of the things them. And I bring up Bounty and Vybz Kartel and all this stuff. So let's like and share the video from now. And let's hear what go on for let's go on listen.
Keep the same energy, man. If you got bun shakiness and stay straight. Don't bother come out, you come like some pastor we preach every day about righteousness and then them do all kind of folly. I live all kind of ungodly life. The person where you're there, where you're in a back of you in the mirror. And where you're there over them page and like up them picture them. Them say for 5 years them do all kind of ungodly things. And the two of them bring forward a baby. Mommy and mama. See? And it is a Negro and a bad bitch. Who you try fool? Quit while you have the chance to. Quit. Because one thing with the Yankee there, you know. You see them Yankee there? Them will come talk. And like the Jamaican, them we can bad up afraid of you. Them Yankee there. Them we come talk. And you can't beat up that. Me sure you can't manage that. You can't beat up that. Because me see that in the gym I lift some weight to rat it. Me I say that even me can push them there and there. You cannot beat up that youth. So go hold your little corner and stop going like you have no authority out of speak about no form of straightness. Go hold your little cloth corner and go and dead for hungry. Go hold your little corner and try to get some medication to fix up your face and fix up your side of your face where you lean down. You don't have no moral authority if it call nobody shaky. None. He's a man dude. Dress you and send you out. In a mirror. And you never know say picture. You fool like a duck. You don't realize you have a mirror. The picture go catch in the mirror. You never realize that. So you never realize that people are going to know say true you stay. People are going to dig it up. Because they see the big hand them and think say it's a man. We don't know if it's a man, we don't know if it's a tranny, we don't know what it is, but we know so it identifies as him and her. That is what it identifies as. So we know that much. We know that much. So you're there getting dressed or whatever the hell you're doing at the house with somebody we identify as him and her. So quit while you're ahead. Quit while you're ahead of the people them where dig up your file. No make them dig up nothing more for you. Because you're ashamed. If you have none. Because obviously you're not glad shame. You don't have no shame. You worry with everybody. But a man having a youth having pants and it not drop properly. Yo, ya B man. How your pants not up? You come out now and cheer for Massacre. You used to call Massacre B man because Massacre pants not up. And Massacre, you say Massacre police cousin will analyze you. And what you going to do, if them step to you, you going to make things. And now you out here be Massacre groupie. Right? Jeffrey them not do you nothing. Jeffrey them said this and that, but Ray people do to them. What them I do to you? Where him and her I do to you? So all the acting they did that act like you burn out Jeffrey them and you burn out Tulax them and you burn out everybody and you burn out the selector them go play a Jeffrey party and all them. You are just like your fucking father, big old dirty hypocrite. Uno know say uno freaky, uno know say uno dog shit, uno know say uno go around and try bring down people, uno know say uno hold down people, uno know say uno put in the industry for black people from reaching anywhere, uno know say uno love stigmatize the youth them name so that means that people stay far from them, and uno come out here act like uno a smarty. It's full time people who open them eye and understand say uno have some dog shit. And all who tired for us to say it, think about the 30 years or the 25 years before social media when the whole of them join up and a tear down people. One night Lexus have nearly knock him out round a stone love. Because I'm a whole microphone a disrespect him and a style me. Me never dare to dance and him and a whole microphone a style me and I dance. And Lexus nearly knock him out. This is what them used to do people. And them know say everything where them say them stand against. They were doing it and still doing it. Him father born out Vybz Kartel, say Vybz Kartel a girl in the school bus. While him have a little 14-year-old when get pregnant. And a born out Kartel boss, a Kartel have girl in the school bus. This is that hypocrisy, you know. And them so brazen with it, brethren. The man then come forward and tell us, say, them lock gate for merciless. And you still a say, there's them are no gatekeeper. And the man them tell you with them own amount, say, them lock out merciless. The man, the worst thing about it, you know, the man them control some people's minds, right? People just feel like they had to conform. And right now, even this video, you have people who are in them feelings. Can't deal with the truth, them just in them feelings. And I understand, so there was just a wall where the man them placed around them them set a nastiness in the industry. There was a wall where them put around them that no matter how much wrongs them do, no matter how much youth them violate, and you cannot go out there, go even open your mouth. You know me see? Me see, in pedophile father, you know. Vice a song, you know. It's before anybody start go at each other like them way there, you know. In pedophile father go vice a song for Flabba and Deli Ranks. That me and Deli Ranks are my par, you know. Or they are studio together. Maybe it wasn't a par. Maybe me did have it wrong, so Deli Ranks I rate, but they never rate me. Me left go foreign and come back, and when I go back to Jamaica, you know, Deli Ranks them record a song with him, you know. I say, let's suck love for taste, gear gas ray, and goofy love when the girl them sit down in him face. So I go to Deli Ranks and I say, yo, why not? Me I wouldn't just there, so I want to make a man record a song that disrespect me. Right? You know what's funny about it? No selectors were afraid And no radio man were afraid to blood clot play that song. They had to play it. No reservation, them just play it. If we die in a dance, if no matter with them just play it. All in front of with them just play it and we have to just accept it. No song when nobody voice. Especially, maybe Beanie Man could do it and get away. Merciless couldn't do it. Vegas couldn't do it. Lexus couldn't do it. Not even Cabra when the man Cabra kick off. Them play the Cabra song. But they play the song where him disrespect people. And we couldn't sing a line in our song and disrespect him. As a matter of fact, if we even do a song and say, if we will write our lyrics and say we are going to a stage show, or go a dance, go DJ it, people want to kill we. So we are this the general. And while them say we are this the general, them a play the blood clot song where the man a talk about gear gas and let's suck and Goofy one girl sit down in face, you know. That's Goofy look for me and say, yo, around a car wash me I go, you know. Go page a boy the killer, you know. What you do? And I say, you know, me not go around there. And Goofy must go page him. I saw he must love Goofy. But the point me I try to make is like the man them had so much control over the industry. And now it is breaking apart because him go start some form of riff with the Gaza man them and start subliminally at show God of a cartel or whatever I do. That's it split. And now is the first time since him boss as a major artist in the industry. His fan base, yeah, has divided. Because remember, say, Cartel fans them, Gaza fans them, were basically sub-fans of him. And basically, a theme fans them, are people them will rate Cartel them, would have rate him to because them say, him bring Cartel. Mavado fans them, same thing, them rate him to because him bring Mavado, according to what people say. So because he knew that, him have a whole barrier when he could have do any fuckery and get away with it. No man can't say nothing. No girl can't say nothing. I Shana boss, she said she want man do it to her. In go a country for rub her out. Everybody, while him are the biggest king freak in the industry. Biggest freak. Even this hypocrite now, we have him, her, address him, or whatever do to him. Him know. Him know. And they have been doing this for years, but guess what now? People wake up. It's a year of revelation. And it's continuing. We know a cycle of revelation. Nothing we do can go unnoticed. All things must be revealed. You see how easy we find out, say the other people, she page I like and I get, you see this? You see? You never know, say, you go get caught in another mirror, you know. God and time. You never know, say, you are going to on a platform, I like this. See it? See it? Foota Hype straight. See it? I like somebody who identify as a man and a woman. God and time. And the same thing is going to happen to your nasty pedophile father. Where them allow the little girls them, the little twin them, for they run in front of them a pitney. And everybody knew that you were getting little girls pregnant or a little girl pregnant. And everybody hide it and hold it down. And everybody push it under the carpet because you were too powerful to fail. You have so many people within the system will protect you. You have politicians that protect you. Radio man that protect you, politician that protect you, sound man that protect you, everybody that protect you. So they allowed you to still be around those little girls. Knowing well, documented information, say you get a little girl pregnant. How many other artists could have do that and get away? Or how many other people could have do that in Jamaica with status like your status and get away? What's so special about you, big stinking ugly boy? What's so special about you? What's so special about you? Afraid? What is it? Every bad man want to be a part of your clan. Every bad man want to run back at you. Me see some man who me say you are a real bad man, them you know. And every day them run back at you like my idiot. Turn big old man now and still a talk about you. I don't know say you that tear with them little daughter. I don't know say you that paint with them little niece. And breed her too. And everybody, oh, you're obsessed with the man. You're obsessed with the man. Obsessed. This man was just on DJ Academic page the other day. After me not even chat about him. I style me. And nobody said anything. What's about you? The man just go on a major international platform and disrespect me. Few months ago. And none of you cared. If you say, Lord the man, but now you talk about, oh, Lord the man, star, me no want the man, I no answer him, the gear gas, Where was your fucking voice the other day when he disrespect me? Where was your voice? Oh, him immune. Him have immunity. Him can disrespect everybody. No, that done. That's over. That's over. No matter how you talk about say a long time in breed the little pitney. No matter how you talk about say the age of consent was 40. As a matter of fact, slow flow. Leave this alone here because you make yourself look dumb and stupid. Because I don't know what you mean by the age of consent was 14 in 1995. That simple research could have tell us yeah, chat saying. Simple research. Could have tell us you bullshit you talk say. And let's say the age of consent, let's say you're right. What are you promoting a 21-year-old, 22-year-old man to have sex with a 14-year-old? What the fuck are you, what's wrong with you people? Go and encourage. And then you go for all kind of deflection. Oh, one girl did talk about you. And one girl did this and Rary and this and girl. And why are you deflecting? Focus on what you have. Would you like your daughter to be having an affair with a 21, 22-year-old man? Your 14-year-old? My 14-year-old, I saw her. She's a baby. Can't go breed a 14-year-old. No matter when it happened, the fact that it was swept under the carpet and people continue to act as if, oh, it was okay because the mother did get pregnant when she was 13. It's not okay, brethren. And then him come forward and try hide, and I try dodge, and I try hide. Look how long I talk about this. Over 6 years. Why am not take action? Ask yourself a question. You think same could have said about me? He must have to come with a little gear something there, because that's a foolishness. You can't go in on a court and win a lawsuit against them little foolishness like that. Because you have to go prove say it do you damage. You have to go prove say it hurt your earnings. You have to go prove say you have psychological disadvantage. And you have to go show say that what therapy and all this in there. So like fool something we matter about, oh gear gas and that bullshit that and nonsense. We just laugh for that and just say, alright. You try to tear me down as a bully. I'm thump you back in your mouth now. But this is serious something. You conflate the two. What's wrong with we as a society when we can't say, yo, I'm credo? You still have a thing called moral turpitude when people do something outside the norms of society. Or outside the laws of society. There's a big ugly man you go and like say him control you. Like what kind of control? Me see some woman. Some big woman, you know. When we look at the woman in page, there's some big woman, you know, cuss people, you know. So what not talk about this for?
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. No, this is where Foota Hype respond back to Conscience, basically exposing DMs where people them say, you know, Conscience man named Dean Mariah. This is my say, I'm get killed and I'm OBEAH. And all of these things. And I'm sure a screenshot of someone's comment saying, you know, them cousin used it there with Conscience and all of this stuff. And not saying allegedly, because them will go live and make them cousin provide the receipts. One bag and a one, you see me say, I'm more problem upon the king mix up. One that you see in front of you, yeah. Swing over this and check out what go on from that go on, you see me. Because when I go long it out, long run, you say, you side. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.